2025, the ultimate high-pressure cleaner for thorough home and commercial cleaning solutions. DeWalt. 61339. Does cleaning stubborn stains always give you a headache? Whether it is for home or commercial use, the DeWalt High Pressure Washer can provide strong pressure and efficient water flow to solve all your cleaning problems. With a powerful 3,600 psi pressure and 2.5 gallons per minute water flow rate, this unit is equipped with a powerful 224cc CRX 225 engine to easily handle any cleaning challenge. The biggest highlight of DeWalt is its powerful performance. The 224cc power-level engine is not only stable, but also can run for a long time. The 3,600 psi pressure and 2.5 GPM water flow ensure that stubborn stains are broken through and efficient cleaning is achieved. Compared with similar products on the market, this equipment is made of solid materials and has advanced technology, making it a reliable choice in the field of cleaning machinery. Whether you're cleaning a driveway, patio, fence, or home exterior, the DeWalt 61339 gets the job done quickly and efficiently. For commercial applications, it can also be used to clean heavy machinery, construction tools, and equipment, making it an efficient and versatile cleaning expert. One device, adapted to multiple scenarios, is suitable for both home and work use. The device is equipped with an ergonomically designed handle and convenient wheel design, so you don't have to carry it with effort. The compact body not only saves space, but also makes it easy to store, continuing DeWalt's simple and practical style concept. At the same time, the quick connector accessories are easy to install, allowing even first-time users to get started right away. To extend the life of your equipment, regular maintenance is essential. Pay attention to engine oil changes, avoid clogging by cleaning the nozzles, and pay attention to storage conditions when not in use to maintain optimal performance. The simple and easy-to-understand maintenance process design saves time and effort, providing users with greater convenience. Compared with electric cleaning equipment, the fuel-driven design of DeWalt 61339 provides more power, completely eliminating the limitations of large cleaning work. Whether in terms of performance or portability, it is more competitive in the market. It has won critical acclaim for its perfect combination of professional-grade results and home-friendly features. This device cleans my garden like new, and it can clean up any thick dirt in a short time. This kind of user feedback is not uncommon. Through a convenient and fast operation process, it saves time when cleaning and truly achieves high-cost performance. Whether you are a novice or a professional user, you can experience the amazing cleaning results brought by DeWalt. Are you still worried about cleaning tough exterior environments? Whether it's daily maintenance or large cleaning projects, the DeWalt pressure washer can provide the amazing support you need. Click the link below the video to view the buy link. Thank you for watching.